Hey, how are you doing? The weirdness continues. This is not quite as weird as the previous weirdness, but this is weird. I got this radio on January 16th. It's less than $10. It's AM FM shortwave, and it does not have MP3 player. Um, and I thought, for $10, I'll try it. And so I started to do a video this morning, and I thought, okay, let me look at the web page and see what the current price is. Well, once again, currently unavailable. Another radio that was on sale, I caught the sale, and it's gone. I, I really don't understand this. I don't know if I'm jinxing these products, but then if you go to their store, and I can't pronounce it, you click on that, go to their store, they don't have any products. No, there's nothing to click on. So if I go back, so here's the radio anyway. It's pretty small, fits in the palm of your hand. It's 4.5 inches by 3 inches by 1.1 inch. I don't know why the power source says corded electric. It uses, I think, 3 AAA batteries, and it kind of works good. I'm going to do a review. It's worth a review. If it comes back on the market for $10, it's a nice little knock-around radio. It does have a major drawback for us that live in the United States, and I'll talk about that. But what was amazing is with the built-in antenna, it receives shortwave halfway decent. I mean, I got just, here a few minutes ago, it's almost 8:30, which is kind of past the time in the morning to get shortwave. I got like 5 or 6 stations there, all within probably 1,000 miles down in south of Florida, but they're there. Oh, and some of them are north of Florida, like Nashville, Tennessee, and stuff like that. So it's worth a review. I would put this in your watch list if it comes back on sale. I think it's a pretty good deal for a little knock-around AM/FM shortwave radio that you don't have to worry about if it falls in the water or anything like that. The weirdness continues. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.